Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who. Back with another video. I think I've come kicking it with today, guys. So I know y'all probably here to watch the title of the video. We gonna get to that, guys. But first, one of my cargo bed LED lights went out here. Boom. You can see there. The one that left it out. I should probably just replace them both, honestly, since I'm in here. So I needed a replacement set, and shout out to the one and only. What we got here? That's right, 4x4 truck LEDs, guys. Crystal Lux bulbs. I'm telling you guys, these things are super bright, bro. Make sure I'm not missing nothing. Let me see what else they put in here. Maybe they put some in here. Let's see. Thank you, Adam. Signed it. Adam, shout out to Adam, man. Thank you, bro, for sending these. Literally got them like next day, like super fast. And you get the air freshener as well. So these are the 400 lumen. There you go, 400. Got it? Good. Again, shout out to them, guys. And they cover these under warranty, guys. No cost to me. So they stand behind their product for sure. But if you guys didn't know, all my bulbs up here, 4x4 LEDs. Before I switched to the OEM LED tail lights, my stock ones, reverse light, were from 4x4 LEDs. My tail light license plate were from 4x4 LEDs. So I was running all their products on the back of my truck. You know, that's not a sponsorship with them. I'm telling you, this is just because they have good product. And I love how bright and crisp their lights look. They put these reverse lights on the OEM LED to shame. These are terrible, by the way. You can not see anything when you back up. So if I could, I would replace those with 4x4 LED lights as well, but I can't open it up. So again, thank you to Adam over at 4x4 Truck LEDs, man. I appreciate it, getting the product out fast, no question to add, cover it, no cost to me, so I appreciate that, man. Y'all definitely go check them out. I'm telling you, in good hands. They stand behind their product. Get you some. But let's get these installed. Okay, guys, here we go. Boom. Like new, super bright, as you can see. They do like kind of like a fade when they come on. Like you see that? Yeah, it's pretty cool that they do that actually. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who. Back, baby, with another video. I think I've come kicking it with your boy Q today, guys. So I just got an oil change, man. And the guy at the oil change place, he's like, bro, he's like, I was about to swap your air filter, but it's a special one came in. He like, it's filthy. And he was like, you need to clean it. And I haven't cleaned it since I bought it, but I thought it said you had to clean it like every 25,000 miles. Like, it doesn't require a lot of cleaning. And I know I have not had this for 25,000 miles. I could be wrong. It should be up there, but it ain't that high. I got home, I pulled the air filter out, guys, and look at this. This thing is freaking filthy, bro. Like, you can't even see through it. So I decided to make a quick video on how to clean a K&N air filter if you have one. Super easy. Basically, you're gonna need this K&N cleaner, power clean. It's basically like a cotton air filter cleaner, multi-purpose deep cleaner. Y'all probably saw the short that I did. It was like a 15-second video of my current MPG. So y'all realize when I first got my 37, I'm not sure if y'all remember, I was averaging about 13.1. So I didn't see that big of a hit, right? But I knew I was still driving the truck. It was gonna take some time to calculate. Then it dropped to about 12.5. I was like, okay, that seems like right. That seems pretty normal. Now, within like the last month or 3 weeks, I'm at 11.1 MPG, like hella low. And I'm pretty sure this is the culprit, that's why. So let's get that clean today. Basically, step one, you get you some of this. Got this from AutoZone. You're going to spray your air filter. You let it sit for 10 minutes. Then you run it under some cool, low pressure water, not power pressure. And then, yeah, that's it. And then you're supposed to re-oil it. And I don't have any oil. Crap. I forgot to get some oil. Crap. Anyway, I have to deal with that later. Crap, I forget to get oil. Let's go ahead and get this thing a spray, man. And then, yeah, we'll get to the next part when we get there. So you want to spray both sides. So start by spraying this side here. Okay. Now, we're gonna let that sit for 10 minutes.
A few moments later.
Okay, guys, so now we're in the house. Our air filter has been sitting for about 10 minutes, as y'all can see here. So now you're supposed to just go ahead and run water through it from the inside to outside, cool, low pressure water. So that's what we're about to do now. My wife is gonna kill me for washing this in the sink, but I don't have anywhere else to go at this time to do this. So you gotta do what you gotta do, right? So here we go. Just run it through. Low pressure water. Probably gonna get a little higher. Yep. So you just rinse this back and forth. You're supposed to do this until the water runs clean. So you may have to do this multiple times. Oh yeah, this is freaking gross. This is gross. So I'm not gonna lie to y'all, this is pretty gross. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, a lot cleaner. So I did find the oil, air filter oil, guys. I just had to go back and get it. They had it, I just missed it. Now, what you wanna do is we're just gonna apply this. And basically it said to all the raised surfaces, the raised rows, you just wanna apply it, right? All the way down. So we're gonna do that. You wait 20 minutes, let it dry and settle, or wick or whatever it says, and come back out. And what you wanna look for then is to see if there's any lighter pink spots than anywhere else, and then you just fill those in accordingly. The guy at the shop did tell me, he's like, be careful when you're using this. He's like, don't over oil it because it'll get into your mass airflow sensor and get a check engine light, and then you got to get a new mass airflow sensor if you put too much. So I'm glad he told me that because I get lube heavy. It sounds crazy, but I get lube heavy when I have my motorcycle. I used to lube my chain. I used to go like overboard. I don't know why I always have been that way. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this now. It should be dry. That was the hardest, the longest part, guys. It's been drying for about good 3 hours now, so it should be pretty dry. So let's go ahead and apply it. So, applied the first thing. Now we're gonna let that dry for 20 minutes, come back out, hopefully have some light, and let's see if we see any lightish pink areas, and then we will just reapply the tail right here. It looks a little light, but yeah, let's wait 20 minutes and we'll be right back. Okay guys, I done ran out of sunlight, so I had to move around, but here's the new filter. Here's the filter now. You can see it got a few light spots in here. I'm gonna go ahead and apply one more time, and then it'll be ready to go. I will say that it is quite a messy job, so yeah, see that red stuff in your hands, so I probably want to wear some gloves. Okay guys, it's the next morning. As you can see, I actually just let the filter dry overnight because I wasn't going anywhere. So now I'm back here to put it in, and that'll be it. That'll be it. You just take this back off, your air box back off, put it in, and that's it. I'm not going to show you all that because it's pretty simple, but if you're wondering which side to spray, this is the back side. This is the side that's going to be up in the truck, you know, like that. This is the back side that's going to be down. So this thicker part in the F-150 is going to be down. But that's it. Sorry, I got something on my face, man. The boy kind of broke out with something right there on my face, but I don't know what the hell that is. Never happened before, but I do use a straight edge razor to shave my face, so maybe I irritated it or something. Or I'm thinking some of this spray actually got on my face last night when I was spraying, so yeah. Anyway, so all guys, your boy Q. The rest of the video, I'll catch y'all next one. Peace.